This is a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. The problem that I had was that driving intermittently, the door would sense it was open. And you get signals the door is open while you're driving. And worse yet, when the car was parked and locked, the alarm would go off, because the alarm goes off when it senses that the door is open when the car is parked, when the car is locked. So that was no good. So what needs to be replaced to do the job properly is to replace that door lock assembly there. It includes both the door lock latch and a sensor sensing whether it's open or closed. Okay, so I decided, well, I researched it and would have replaced it myself, or even took it to the dealer if it wasn't too big of a job. But it is a big job. It's not, you have to take off this door assembly here. Here's a screw there, there's a screw there. Pry up from the bottom, take off this panel there by the mirror, and then what you can do is lift up to get it out. Now the problem was, you can see, to get at that door latch actuator assembly, you have to take off this plastic inner cover. And to do that, there are bolts, which aren't a problem, but there are also 4 of these pop rivets there that hold it to the window assembly. You have to drill those out and replace them to put it back in, and that's a pain. And even you can do that, it looks like there's a real pain in the butt to get at that door latch assembly hidden inside the metal there. But you can do it, probably, and I didn't want to try it. So what I decided to do, I'm gonna fool the computer to think the door is closed all the time. What the sensor does is, there's a circuit in the door open close sensor that sends an open circuit when the door is closed, and a closed circuit when the door is open. I went back and got opened this connector here. There was able to get at the pins for the wiring. And it took a little while, but to save some time for other people, I found out that the wires coming out of here, some of them are from this door sensor inside the actuator, and it comes out that part of the panel there. I unwrapped the wire cover, and there's a blue wire that senses this open-close signal. I cut the blue wire, wrapped it back, rewrapped the wire, rewrapped the bundle, and so now the blue wire is open. And what it's doing is it's fooling the computer to think that the door is closed all the time. The downside is that when you open the door, the light won't come on, and when you're driving, if you don't close the door all the way, you won't get a signal the door is closed. But I figured I don't need that stuff. I just didn't want to go through the whole problem and expense of replacing this thing, so I just fooled the car into thinking the door's closed all the time. You can open it fine, but it just won't sense that it is open. So that's my workaround. The proper thing naturally to do is replace the part. But if you're like me and don't want to spend money like this, that's a possible workaround.